Hi, my dear friends. Ram Navratna here. Welcome to HR Resonance channel. Further continuing to my innumerable and various videos on various topics. Today, I am before you with another interesting, relevant, and most useful topic for each and everybody, that is on health insurance or mediclaim, which is most important part in everybody's life. Well, I would like to start with my experience share. In case number one, in the month of January 2021, in one of the small company, which was a sales company, one of the boy was employed as a sales executive. He was about 23 years old boy, and he went on leave for his personal reasons. Then he had a food poisoning. Because of that, unfortunately, he got admitted in the hospital, and at the end, the bill came around 43,000 odd. Since he was hailing from the mediocre family, it was very difficult for him and his family to pay that one. Then family was in deep trouble. One more example, during the period of Corona, that is in the year 2020, one more known company to me. There, in that company, it was a very small company with a small coverage of insurance for their employees. One of the young married man with 22 years old, and he had one small baby also, got admitted in the hospital suspecting corona, and it was confirmed, and he was because of that, when he was discharged after recovery from the corona, his bill was almost about 1,20,000. Having seen the bill, he was stunned, and again he was in a deep trouble because the employer could not help him much, and he was ended in the debt. Well, friends, these are all some of the live examples. What is the moral of these lessons? In many of the hospitals, this cartoon, if you see, he just got discharged, but having seen the expenses of the hospital, he got fainted. Well, if this is the situation in most of the cases for many people of our friends and relatives, then what is the way? How to come out for this one? Yes, there is a way. In my experience, mediclaim policy is an insurance cover which shields against increasing medical costs arising out of hospitalization. This is what you are all aware. If you are not aware, better you know. And it offers financial protection in case of hospitalization due to illness, even or an accident. That is what the dual benefit of health insurance will be there. Similar to other forms of insurance, mediclaim policy benefits can be exercised by paying a premium annually. I hope you are all aware about this one. Then, whether this mediclaim policy is good, why you should have? Of course, mediclaim policy will cover all medical expenses in the case of hospitalization or domiciliary care during the policy term. Of course, there are some exclusion clause which you must be aware. With the rise in the healthcare costs and lifestyle diseases, having a mediclaim policy is most useful, relevant, and need of the hour, in my opinion, which everybody should follow and have that one. You don't have to pay much for the medical expenses out of your pocket in case of your hospitalization, and mediclaim is there. From this point of view, this mediclaim policy is extremely very good. Well, friends, having said that one, I want to share some of the important points to appeal to you to meet the basic needs. It is rightly said that basic needs are basically three for all of us. They are food, cloth, and shelter. But one must stand above, that is, these three is, that is, good health. Health is wealth, it is called. Without good health, above are of not so relevant and use. Hence, health insurance is playing a major and dominant role in everybody's life. Second one is huge hospital expenses. Many major hospitalization ends in fatal, not because of a good treatment, it is because of fear of meeting huge hospital expenses. We have come across so many cases, even the cartoon was speaking about that one. So from this point of view also, medical health insurance play a very important role. That is why one must give adequate attention and coverage in their personal life. Commit for health policy. When you have committed expenses like grocery, milk, light, bill, tax, etc., why don't you commit to save meager amount of either rupees from 100 to 500, or if possible more, depending on your financial capacity, or so daily for a health insurance policy, even up to for covering some few lakhs, if not in crores, for your entire family, to meet any medical expenses anywhere in the nation in case of any catastrophe or any problem. One more important point you must realize is tax rebate. Taking a medical claim for your family also helps you to get a tax rebate up to rupees 75,000 per year. So you are giving from one hand and receiving from another hand. This is what you have to understand and keep in mind. Next one is, we can call it as a family affectionate bond. Taking a medical claim policy is nothing but purchasing a family affectionate bond. I call it as a family affectionate bond. It acts as a family member during any medical emergencies and treatment. Really it comes to the help to the particularly the middle class family. And next point, you will all realize insurance on human life. When we do insurance for our car, flat, house, luxuries and machines in crores and lakhs, then why we are not hesitating for doing sufficient health insurance on human life, which is most precious thing in the universe. So therefore, not only from LIC, medical is also very important, which may occur to anyone, one or the other context. So the next one is on avoid monetary loss. Do health insurance in lakhs or crores for yourself, depending on your capacity and requirement, and your family. Right now, ensure one major illness will wash away your entire savings in life if you are not insured. Your one-day deal makes a huge monetary loss. Therefore, hurry up please and get coverage and take your safety and your family safety also. Next one is medical, which is a part of the life. Days have changed as medical insurance has become a part of our day-to-day life. Your admission and treatment in hospitals exclusively depends upon the quantum of medical claim insurance you have, and no excuse. Hurry up to go to huge medical insurance coverage for yourself and your family. At least make a small beginning, and as you grow and as you prosper, go on increasing depending on your need, requirement, and also of your age and health condition. And last, don't depend on office medical claim. Don't depend only on office medical claim coverage, because there they decide what coverage to be given to you. They may change or stop the coverage at any time. Sometimes you may be out of the employment, or you may change the employment. In such case, you will be without coverage. Then anything it happens, then it becomes a big problem. So you decide to go for your own policy, or top up, or both, as per your needs and capacity. Your own policy is like Kamadhenu. I repeat again, your own policy is like a Kamadhenu and Kalparuksha for you. In due course of time, it will all help you, which comes to your help in medical emergencies and the treatment. Friends, I hope by these reasons, I am sure definitely you understand the importance of health policy. So therefore, my earnest desire is to you, those who have not covered or having taken, please act immediately without further delay. Well, having said that one, I want to sum up key features also without much details. Maximum coverage at affordable costs and rates. Quick and cashless facilities available. Pre-post hospitalization. Cashless hospitalization. Number of days care treatment. health insurance plans. Even for the senior citizen, coverage is there in many of the companies. Family care is there. Floater mediclaim policy will help you. And before 40 years, get covered so that your no claim bonus and some of the benefits will be there. But after 40, your health starts decaying, and that will be put to for more danger and more prone. So before 40, or at least from the 40 years of age, one must start this policy without much thinking. And don't feel it is a loss for you. Number one, if you have no claim bonus, insurance companies, they will provide you. And also you will get income tax benefit depending on your table. And one more important tip what I want to provide you, whenever you take any of these policies, declare your medical history carefully. Don't hide anything. If you hide tomorrow, if there is any claim, then there will be problem. Then they may disclaim. Then they deny the claim. So then you should not put into the problem. Well, friends, these are some of the key features for having the insurance policy. One more tip what I want to provide you to the industrial employees, those who are covered under the ESI, they need not bother because ESI takes care more better. But all other categories of persons, employees, executives, independent professionals, non-covered under group mediclaim in companies, persons must follow this for their and their family protection without any further delay, and get protected and be safe and have a peace in your life. Well, friends, I would like to have one disclaimer also. For having said and provided all this information, I would like to say you that I am not insurance agent or belongs to any insurance companies, but I am a management consultant. For the more than 40-45 years, I have seen so many cases and come to the rescue of the employees, good and bad side of all these things I have come. Therefore, I thought I must educate the people and bring awareness on these aspects, which is most essential and need of the hour for each and every employed, even non-employed, whether it is a business person or anybody, male or female, whether it is a family or whether it is a senior citizen, retired, for all of the people, they should be covered under suitable health insurance policies. Well, friends, I'm sure definitely this information might have provided you some information. I'm happy if they have provided you some thoughts and throw a light on some of the things which you are all not knowing. Having seen and having heard this information, while you are liking and sharing this information, please post your experience, your views, anything you want to say about this health insurance. Please post in comment box of this video. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our HR Resonance channel and wait for our further many more useful videos in the days to come. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Good day.